In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix FN keys not working or the function keys not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So let me show it to you with the virtual keyboard or the on-screen keyboard. Now, in order to fix the issues, you have to locate the FN key on your keyboard. Okay, locate the FN key on your physical keyboard. Press it and then press with the escape key together. Okay, press FN and escape key together. Okay, FN and escape key. Again, you have to press FN key and key together. FN and escape key together, and that will solve the issue for you. Or if in some cases that clicking the FN key and the escape key together didn't work for you, you can use it the other combination, FN key and caps lock key together. Okay, FN and caps lock. Okay, FN and caps lock or FN and escape keys on your keyboard. So that's it. That will fix the issue for you by using the combinations. First combination is FN and escape key. Second combination, FN and caps lock key together. Okay, so that's it. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.